All right, today I'm going to show you how to make a makeshift protein shaker bottle when you don't actually have a shaker bottle. Now right here I have just an old Gatorade bottle which is empty, and then I have my protein. Right here is Isopure protein powder, zero carb protein, which I'm going to be using. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to put this in here. But as you all know, it is kind of problematic when you're trying to add protein inside of a bottle. So this is what happens when you try to add protein inside of a bottle. You come up here with a scoop right here and you try to put it in, and you get it all on the counter or whatever's beneath the bottle and all over the top of the bottle. However, in order to improve this method, you'll take something such as this right here, this piece of paper, and what you'll do is you'll come up here and then you'll take this piece of paper, you'll come up here, you'll squeeze the bottom of it. You could probably crease it just at the bottom if you want to, just so it has a little bit of direction to it. It's almost like a funnel. And then what you'll do is you'll take your protein. I'm going to go in here and get a full scoop of protein. There I have it. And then what I'll do is I'll come back over here and then I'll take my piece of paper, which I folded it at the bottom, keep it up at the top, and just pinch it like this. You see, fold it, well, let me for that happen. Fold it at the bottom, hold it like this, and then just put it at the top of your bottle like this, and you can possibly just push it down just slightly, but leave the corners above the lip of the bottle or the rim of the bottle. So like that. And so you have a miniature funnel. I'm going to show you that. Look at that. So leave the corners above it. The bottom part, you see that? Push that down and leave like that. All right. And if you want to, you could possibly just split it, if you can, right there, but this doesn't want to tear. So I'm just going to put this right here, almost make a little funnel of it. And then you're going to go ahead and take the protein and just do a little shaking action like this, making sure you just get the corner of it right here. Look at that. Well, this isn't going exactly as planned, but you get the idea. So you shake it in there and there. And so once you've done that, it really helps if you can cut or tear the bottom corner of that. And then once you have it in there, you just go ahead and fill it with water. See, I'm filling it with water like this. Put the cap on it. And then shake it like a Polaroid picture. Take that and then go ahead and rinse the bottle from the protein that I got on here. And that's how you make a makeshift protein shaker. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you can do a better job than I did. Thanks a lot for watching.